Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'll explain what the space niche entails and show you how to make faceless cash cow YouTube videos in the space niche. In addition, I will show you examples of channels in the space niche, reveal how much they earn, and inform you of other monetization strategies that can be used to monetize these types of channels. Make sure to watch this video to the end because some of the channels I'm about to reveal earn over $500,000 per month. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So what exactly is a space niche? We've all heard of space. If you don't know, you can see clouds, the moon, and stars when you look up at the sky. A rocket can also be seen traveling on occasion. On other occasions, you may notice a star falling. In a nutshell, space is the area outside of the Earth. Planets, meteors, stars, and other celestial objects can be found in space. These are the meteors that fall from the sky. Space is a peaceful place. There are numerous topics to discuss when venturing into the space niche. One can narrow down and talk about the other planets that surround the Earth, choose to talk about discoveries made in space, or talk about space technology. This is a fascinating niche because it has a large following of people who enjoy watching space videos. Another reason I like this niche is that it has one of the highest CPM rates. Whenever I meet someone who wants to start a technology channel, I tell them to narrow their focus. The space niche is a sub-niche of the technology genre. If you make videos in the technology niche, I recommend venturing into space because these videos are very easy to go viral. You can also make the thumbnails extremely appealing. For a better understanding, I'll show you some example channels in this niche to see what kinds of videos they're making. All of the channels I'm about to show you earn more than $10,000 per month and others earn more than $100,000 per month. The first channel I'm going to show you is Voyager. This channel was founded around June 2020. As of 2022, it has nearly 180,000 subscribers. When you look through this channel, you will notice that it receives many views. One of his videos, titled Elon Musk Reveals Mars Colonization Plan, has over 2.7 million views, was uploaded in January 2021, and still receives 56 views per minute, according to vidIQ. So how much money does this channel make? According to the Social Blade statistics, this channel received over 1.4 million views in the last 30 days, allowing them to earn between $364 to $5,800. But as debt busters, we know these figures are inaccurate because Social Blade uses a CPM of $4 to estimate these figures, and the space niche has a CPM of $9. If you're wondering what a CPM is, it's the amount paid to YouTubers per 1,000 views. Since this channel has received over 1.4 million views in the last 30 days, a CPM of $9 means that it earns more than $12,600 per month before YouTube takes their 45% cut. Destiny is another channel in this niche. This channel was founded in February 2018 and has over 1.4 million subscribers as of 2022. This is yet another channel with a high number of views. When you look through their videos, you'll notice that most of them have millions of views. Their most popular video, titled Kepler Telescope Discovered New Planets Better Than Earth, has over 17 million views. As you can see, the videos on this channel are primarily about what is outside of the Earth. When you watch this video, you'll notice that no one is showing their face on camera. Instead, we hear a voiceover and see various stock footage throughout. Let's take a look at how much money this channel makes. According to Social Blade statistics, this channel has received over 7 million views in the last 30 days, which has helped them generate between $1,800 to $28,100 according to Social Blade. But, as I previously stated, we all know this information is incorrect. The space niche has a CPM of about $9 per 1,000 monetized playbacks, which means that this channel earns nearly $63,000 per month or over $2,000 per day. That is an outstanding sum, especially considering that this channel may make even more through other monetization methods that I will show you later. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. We have yet to discuss the highest earning channel on our list. The final channel I'd like to show you before explaining how you can make similar videos is called What If. This is another channel that makes space videos, but in a different way. They make predictions about what might happen if a specific event occurs. Some of its videos include what if Uranus collided with Earth and what if each planet collided with our moon. These are some of their videos, and you can bet that by looking at the title, you can tell that they have a lot of views because they are done uniquely. These videos have received 7 million and 2 million views respectively. I would also advise you to produce videos in a unique way when venturing into any niche, as this will set you apart from other channels competing in the same niche. This channel was founded in June 2018 and has over 6.7 million subscribers as of 2022. Most of you are probably wondering how much they make per month. According to Social Blade statistics, this channel has received over 51 million views in the last 30 days, earning between $12,800 and $205,000 according to Social Blade. Even if these figures are inaccurate, that is an insane amount to earn every month. With 51 million views and the original CPM of the space niche of $9 per 1,000 monetized playbacks, this channel makes around $500,000 monthly or $15,300 per day. That is incredible. We can see that the procedure is the same when we play any video on this channel. No one is showing their face on camera. All we can hear on the video is the voiceover and see various stock footage playing on the screen. So how does one go about making faceless videos like this? I've got you covered. Let me demonstrate how to create these faceless YouTube videos. Many people believe that making such videos is difficult. There is no need for expensive equipment, and I will show you how to do it for free. The advantage of this method is that you can get started for free. When your channel earns money, you can reinvest it and expand by creating channels in different niches. This is how you can run a variety of channels. So without further ado, let me walk you through the process of creating these incredibly simple videos. When you want to start making videos in this niche, the first thing you need to do is search for titles. I would recommend that you create a list of over 50 different titles that you can use to create videos for your channel. So where are you going to get these titles? I recommend that you go to some of these channels that are doing well in the space niche and write down all the titles of the videos that have received a lot of views. You can, for example, go to a channel like Destiny and then filter their videos from most popular to least popular. From there, I'd list 5 to 10 titles of their most popular videos, then move on to the next channel in the space niche, filter their videos by most popular, and make another list of 5 to 10 titles of their videos. When you do this with about 5 channels in your niche, you will have over 50 different titles to use when creating your videos. After deciding on a title, you must conduct research and write a script. I recommend writing your script if you have more time than money. If you cannot write an excellent script and have more money than time, you can hire a freelancer from Upwork.com to write the entire script. When writing a script, the structure must first be established. While some freelancers will write a full script for you, it will not be a blank canvas if you can provide the structure. Starting with a blank canvas can be challenging, especially if you do it yourself. You'll need to conduct extensive research on the subject, including watching multiple videos and taking notes. Your script will look fantastic. We're following the successful channel's leads because they're successful. Modeling success does not necessitate word-for-word replication or using the same framework. It will be easier to write the script if you have the structure written down. After writing a script, I recommend running it through Copyscape to ensure that it is unique and free of copyright violations. After writing the script, the next step is to record the voiceover. If you don't think you'll be able to complete the voiceover to your liking, you can always outsource it to someone who can do it professionally via Fiverr or Upwork.com. Numerous people can do voiceovers for you on those platforms, so I would look for the most affordable one. Again, this is based on the assumption that you have more money than time. I recommend doing your voiceovers if you have more time than money. This is precisely what most YouTubers do when they first start their channel. You'll need a microphone if you want to record it yourself. If you don't want to spend money on a good microphone, I recommend using your phone. I'm sure most people watching this video have a smartphone, and recording voiceovers is as simple as using your phone's built-in voice recording program. So now that you've finished your script and voiceover, it's time to start collecting videos, images, and content for your video. For stock videos, visit pexels.com or pixabay.com. If you have more money than time, you can use AI-assisted video editing software like Pictory or FlexClip to compile your copyright-free clips in under 5 minutes. Use my links in the description to get this software for free. For example, if you're making a video about planets, you can always search on pixabay.com for planet videos. Remember that the videos you use must make sense with the voiceover. You don't want to show an image or video of the moon if the voiceover is about rockets. As a result, make sure the voiceover matches the photo or video on the screen. So after finding the images you want to use, you must choose the video resolution and click the download button. All that remains is to combine your script, voiceover, and stock videos. You're done if you use Pictory and FlexClip, as I mentioned earlier. If you want to edit the videos on your phone, I recommend downloading Power Director, which allows you to edit and upload your videos to YouTube. Assuming you are using a computer, I recommend it because a laptop has many features that a phone does not. It will allow you to optimize your videos better. If you're working on a computer, I recommend OpenShot, which can be found at openshot.org, or Camtasia, which is even better because it allows you to record your audio within it, making things even more accessible. Now that I've shown you how to make videos in the space niche, let's talk about monetization. You can start running advertisements when your channel has 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. I recommend making your videos at least 8 minutes long to include many ad breaks. After you monetize your video, I recommend including an ad every 2 minutes, one at the start and one at the end. You can make a lot of money from ad revenue. Let's talk about other monetization options that might help you make more than just ad revenue. I mentioned that these channels can earn more money because YouTube AdSense is only one of the money sources we've looked at. They now have another source of income. Affiliate marketing is yet another way for me to monetize the videos I promote. This is the most acceptable monetization method because it is so simple. As a result, in exchange for a commission, you are essentially a middleman who connects a buyer to a program or a product. Assume you go to a marketplace for affiliates, such as digistore24.com. In that case, there are thousands of different items to sell. There are numerous products in the space niche that you can market to interested people, such as telescopes. People in the space niche enjoy looking at things in the sky, and a telescope can help them do so. Once you've found the product you want to promote, include a link to it in the description and pin it in the comment section of every video you upload. All you need to do is inform your viewers about the links you shared in that video. It is critical to understand that if an affiliate product is related to the content they are reviewing, the likelihood of them purchasing it increases dramatically. As a result, selecting a product related to the video you're making is critical to earning a second income. What do you think about the space niche? Do you have a passion for this field? Tell us in the comments if you're willing to give this niche a shot. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. We always try to respond to everyone. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2022 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.